What's up everybody, this is h3ck back with another video. Today we'll be moving towards post request handling in node.js app. So to handle post request, first we need to know what is post request. There are different methods of HTTP. Get and post methods are types of those methods. So let's dive into it for a little bit longer to understand it in a better way. Get method asks the server, whereas post method stores the data in the server. That is, it sends the data to the server. We often use post method in form. So let's set our method of form to post by moving into EJS file. We are already in EJS file, so let's just give this form a method of post and the action attribute value to the root path. This will send the data to this root path, so we can handle the post request in the root path. So to handle the post request from form, we'll copy the above app.get request below and just change this get to post. Now we'll have a look at a package called body parser npm, and then we'll get into our code again. It is a node.js body parsing middleware which handles the post request bodies in a middleware before your handlers. So we can use this request.body property to access all the body values. Okay, then let's install this with npm install body parser. And also with save, and then let's again go to this. We'll require this here with const. Now we just need something like middleware. This is here, and we can pass this in post request. Okay, we'll just specify this here with const and hit save. We'll pass this with post request URL encoded parser, and then just console log the request.body. Okay, now we'll start our server with nodemon server.js. Now let's move there. Localhost 3030. We'll enter our detail, and age is 19. Current role is student. Definitely, what is your favorite feature of Ph4se? I like projects. What would you like to see? I would like to see challenges, tutorials, and project videos. And any suggestions or comments? I would like to see Python tutorials too. Okay, now let's hit submit, and we are redirected to the same page, and we have our data here in the console. Okay, this is how we handle our post request in node.js app. Now let's go there, hit backspace, and we have our first problem here. We don't want our details to be filled after we submit the form, so we'll just add some script in index.ejs below this div script, and we'll select document, select get element by id. We want our form to have empty, so I'll select our id a form and trigger the reset. Okay, every time this page loads you are running the script, so whenever you hit refresh or submit, it automatically empties this form field. Now we also don't want to be on this form page after submitting the form. Instead we expect to see success message. So now we'll render a success EJS file instead of the same page. So now let's create a file name with success.ejs inside this view. That is success.ejs. Now let's set our HTML bloater. Okay, this is our success page. Success now submitted h3ck survey form. Okay, think we haven't specified this to our index 2. h3ck survey form. I'll just give a div of container class, and inside this I want item. Inside this I'll just give as to tag with id of title and class of text center. Inside this h3ck survey form submitted. Okay, and after this I want some p tag with id of description and class of description and text center. Inside this I want some thank you message, that is thank you for taking the time to help us improve the platform. This is the same message, but we are gonna design this in a different way. So we have our HTML ready. Now we just need our CSS. So for this now we want some styling, so let's use the same CSS file for index 2. Now I'll also want the CSS to override, so I'll make this inside success folder the style of CSS. So inside public folder I want next folder subfolder named as success, and inside this I want this to be style.css. So let's fill this form and this, and 15 current role is full-time job, project this and hello testing. Okay, submit the form, and we haven't been redirected to this because we haven't specified here. We need to render this inside success.ejs. Let's again hit this is 10 full-time job, h3ck project, this and this and testing. Okay, submit this and we get the success in views directory survey form views. Okay, we do not have success inside view. Why we do not have success? We have success there. Oh, we have misspelled this. restart the server. This will help. Yes, this is helping. And reload this. Okay, you are getting the space. Now we don't want this to display this, but we want this to be in centered. F12. Let's move this to this side and select this tag. This is S2. I want my container to be styled as display flex. Yes, and justify content center to center. I want this to have items into center. This is not helping because height is not specified. Height is 100 vh viewport height. You can see this becomes centered now. This is all I want. Now let's copy this and paste it inside container and yes, this will help. Now okay, this is all I want. Now we have completed our styling too for the success page. Now let's have a look at it. But I also think it would be better to send the thank you message with the person's name. For that we need to pass the value to EJS file, which is very new to you if you are just following my tutorials and this projects. Value to EJS file and use EJS templating. That is, we'll pass here a name with request.body.name. Okay, we are passing this name value to the name. Okay, we'll use EJS templating after thank you, like this opening bracket percentage name. This name is this, so name and percentage this. Okay, this is all good. Now let's refill our form. We just solve this issue first. So you can see I have my name h3ck here, and this is how EJS templating work. And this is the end of video. Stay safe, stay creative. I'll catch up with you in the next video.